What is data? Before we go to the definition of database, let's define data in technical terms. Data can be facts related to any object in consideration. For example, a student's name, class, school, section, curriculum, and other related stuff. What is database? Database is a systematic collection of data. Paper-based records, including ledger-based bookkeeping, are, technically, forms of a database. Electronic database systems help to store data in electronic storage and provides easy manipulation and management of data. For example, an online telephone directory uses a database to store phone, address, name and other details of the people. Similarly, a department store, if using an electronic system, uses database to store the details of items they have in store, their name, price, quantity, etc. However, databases does a lot more than just storing data. How the data is stored and retrieved can provide an incredibly powerful business tool to the organizations. Database vs. data warehouse. A data warehouse is a special type of database optimized for querying, reporting, and analysis. Data in a warehouse database is generally in read-only format collected from operational databases and other systems. It is then set up to upload at periodic intervals into the warehouse using extraction, transformation, and loading, ETL, processes to turn it into a form more suitable for reporting and deeper analysis. Components of a database. Components of a database are as followings. Data, the actual information stored in the database. It can be used in many forms like raw text, numbers, characters, bytes, images, etc. Hardware, physical electronic devices such as storage devices, I/O, etc. It can act as an interface between computers and real-time applications. Software, custom-built ERP applications and simple interfaces, retrieving and controlling the manipulation of data. The OS and the network software that shares data, etc. Database access language. To enter new data or update or retrieve the data from the database, you can write commands in the database access language. DBMS then displays the results in a user-readable form. Users are the most important component of a database as they are responsible for performing everything on a database. From entering information into a database to saving and modifying this information, it is the user who is responsible for implementing different functions on the database. Advantages of databases. Minimum data redundancy. Generally, repetition of the same data is avoided. Improved data security. Databases have special measures to control the access of database, encryption mechanisms. Lower updating errors. Database applications have check and balance to ensure insertion of data. Application development. Database provides a foundation for developing applications that require access to large amounts of data, reducing development time and costs. Data sharing. Database systems provides a platform for sharing data across multiple applications and users, which can increase productivity and collaboration. Improved productivity. Databases reduces the time and effort required to manage data. Efficient data access and retrieval. Database allows for efficient data access and retrieval by providing indexing and query optimization techniques that speed up data retrieval. This reduces the time required to process large volumes of data and increases the overall performance of the system.